Weaver got the jump. Planty parked it in front of Taylor Horn there. Planty came back and then wanted to discuss real estate with Braylon Martin over there. But we're showing a yellow. Well. Oh, now we're green. Yeah, I like Dave's move there. That was nice. You guys want to mess around? Well, okay. Whoa, hang on, Sloop is... That was an ultimate slide job done. Wow. 3/4 of the way perfect. And I see where our problem is in the scoring. Okay, I got it now. All right, Punch It Chicken, let's crown a Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock Champion. This one's slated for 25 laps to completion. Darren Kearns moving underneath McKinney. McKinney in the Darren Kearns line. Drag races him and pulls him as they go into 3. Tom Gray, the Gray Ghost, trying to find something he hasn't found in the last lap. But Guevara doing a good job. And William Guevara going to win the main event this evening in your Sam Nichols Electrical Factory stocks. Jamie Markle in the 11, Lila Smith in the 55, Bentley Bowman, and I see the chickens have been punched. Let's get it on. They're 3 wide as they went into 1. Brayton Roberts in the 27, trying to keep Madden McKinney behind him in the 3rd spot. Well, the tracks really stayed together well this evening, too. Whoa, 51 doing some circle moves over there. Going to just circle on right back to the... Oh, right in front of the leaders again. Problems from the rear of the field, and I think quite possibly we're going to go yellow. Yes, indeed. Punch It Chicken, green flag's out. Another good restart by Presley. He's doing a good job there. Wow, McKinney tried coming in underneath Roberts. The Madman. White flag out for Presley Hopkins. Just has to hit his marks 2 more times. Main event kart winner going to be Presley Hopkins. 20 laps. Bunch of chickens. Let's go racing. Well, that was an interesting dance of race cars over there. That's the hotel. Yes, indeed. Punch your little chickens. Let's try this again. Much better. Much better first lap. Pierce Weaver in at 7. The early lead. And Taylor Horn, the Tornado, got a round in 1. Punch It Chicken back to green flag racing. Should see the white flag come out next time by, and he does. Checkered flag coming out. Going to be for Pierce Weaver. Zara Lombardi second. And we'll just watch fireworks, you know. Hey, either way, we're going to have a good time. Smith around. We stay green. I like that. Carter Kendrick now going to try to run up on Brayton Roberts. But again, folks, you want to see all the races from this season, know what we're talking about, or just want to watch tonight's race, Low Budget TV. When you get home, you can stream it. If you're going out partying, going to the bar, hey, stream it there. Turn it right on. Say, turn on Low Budget TV here. Smith goes to the high side. Brayton's going to come underneath her. Carter probably will too. Oh, and Brayton Roberts collects one of the markers on the inside of the turns. Holy moly. Nice pace set by the 777s. Whoa. Shooting a curl there in turn 3. Kendrick sees the white flag. He's going to win the main and the championship, ladies and gentlemen. That is Carter Kendrick, 777s. For 50 laps, 5-0. And again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a dangerous motorsports activity. Please pay attention while the races are going on. Please stay off of that fence. It's called a catch fence. It's not called a wall. It's a catch fence. Parts and pieces could come flying if there's an accident, so please pay attention while the race is going on. What do you say, Dave? Punch it, chicken. Let's go street stock racing. Oh, we got him. Whoa. C-cord got off a little in 2. Oh, we got debris on the back straightaway. Debris on the back straightaway that I think came off a C-cord's car, possibly. Full restart. See him speeding up towards the back there. They got a little bit of a little cushion. Get him a little run. And right there, used the bumper hard in the back of Ryan Daniel. Daniel was going to come down. Kataro was there. Kataro to second. And the yellow is out. We got Mike McKieran around in turn number 2. Punch it, chicken. Here come the street stocks. Kataro again bumping on the back of Ryan Daniels' bumper, letting him know he's there. And we got one around in 3 and 4. I think that's C-cord again. Open up the coupe door, punch a chicken, and release the street stocks. Let's get it on, boys and girls. Orozco with a decent restart, but he had a little bit of Ryan Daniel there coming out of turn 2. A little bit of love on that back bumper, but boy, Ryan Daniel's got a back bumper again full of Jacob Kataro. Kataro just punting Daniel through turn number 2. I don't think Ryan Daniel's going to take too kindly to that. And I think he's experiencing a little bit of that. Ryan Daniel having some battle going on with Jacob Kataro. He's got someone up underneath him, and here comes Nathan Hovdahl as well. Oh, Hovdahl got right in. Daniel came down. Hovdahl was there. Don't know if Daniel knew Hovdahl was there. Don't hit the pace car. Bunch of chicken and Roscoe sees the green, gets the memo. Now watch up front, ladies and gentlemen. Ryan Daniel, now he's returning a favor, getting into the back bumper of Kataro, as Kataro has bumped and banged as he uses that bumper in race trim. Kataro again into the back of Jeremy Orozco in a really bad spot, too. You really don't want to hit a guy necessarily there because you just punch him into the wall. And again, he's just bumping and banging him. Kataro using his WWE heavyweight title to go through the gauntlet or something. Whoa, 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 why? Hey, we should throw a yellow or something. Holy moly. Thank you, folks, so much. Punch a chicken. Let's get back to laps that count. 21 to go. Daniel puts the bumper to Kataro as they exit out of 2. Oh, they got Racy going into one, and Jason Grady got right into the side of Vermillion. Holy moly, and we will be yellow. That's the VIP. That's the party deck up there. Punch it, chicken. Yes, indeed. Kataro, Daniel. Daniel again punts Kataro in two. Delay doing a fantastic job. He's faster on corner exit. He drag races Ryan Daniel down the back straightaway into three. New second place. Brent Delay on delay. Brent Delay. On delay now to the 44. We got problem in 4. 33 of Hansen. Kataro takes the green. Punch it, chicken. Let's get this thing worked out. Because now what I'm seeing is Kataro, Rodriguez. Oh, no, Hovdahl. I think we may be red, folks. But 11 to go. Punch it, chicken. Let's get the restart underway. Hopefully the last. They go 3 wide into turn 1. 45 done. It's Jason Grady. Clear of the race surface. And we stay green. Are we staying green? All right. I like that call. We stay green. Oh, Hansen got really, great brakes on Nathan Hovdahl's car. The 26 has the best brake package out there because Hansen just about parked it in front of him. And Nathan didn't smack on it. Whoa, Alex Rodriguez came down just about cut the nose off of Hovdahl's. Muscled his way to the front of this field, let the madness happen behind him, and now he's got a half a track to go. Ladies and gentlemen, your main event winner tonight in the street stocks, Mr. Jacob Kataro, Chad Hansen, Nathan Hovdahl, top 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we need your help. Count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go Waterless boat racing. We've got beach balls on the backstretch. Beach balls. Woo! How's that, Dave? All right, I told everybody, watch out. See, and that's a perfect example of why we watch as the race is going. Holy moly. Oh, look at the smashing going into one. Hang on, Slooby. Whoa, that was cool. Well, that's one way to do it right there. You just drive up in that other boat and cruise around. Wow. Whoa, hang on, yeah. Wow, nice move by the 48. Ooh, bang. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's going to leave a mark, folks. That's definitely going to leave a mark. That's how you do it right there, boys and girls. You ready to go? All right, they are re-racked. Let's count them down from 3, 2, 1. Get it on, boys and girls. Punch those chickens and wreck those boats. Oh, yeah. Duffman likes when we break boats. See, now you see some of the smarter ones are trying to park their car in the boat and ride around. Saw that work well about 3-4 years ago. Now, I'm seeing one boat out there that is really still in good shape. We will see here. I mean, there's, wow, that was a nice move there. Ladies and gentlemen, Ogar, Team Ogar, going to win this thing this year. That was well done. I mean, I haven't seen a boat that still together at this point of this race. Well done. And as always, be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. God bless America. My name is Mike Flanders for the entire Rozon and Kearns family here at Havasu 95 Speedway. We'll see you in October.